Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to walk you through one of my favorite things to eat, Thai chicken lettuce wraps. Without further ado, let's get into it. All right, first things first, we're going to make a pineapple passion fruit vinaigrette to go with our beautiful Thai lettuce wraps. So we want to just peel off a nice knob of ginger. Grab a zester. You want to just take your ginger, just zest it right into the blender. Then next, we want to microplane 2 cloves of garlic. The zest and juice of 1 lime. Squeeze our lime in. Next, we'll take a full chili. Add that to our blender. A couple tablespoons of yuzu juice. Tablespoon of mustard. So we're gonna take 2 passion fruit. Just empty them right in the blender. Don't worry about the seeds, because we're gonna strain this vinaigrette anyways. All right. Fresh pineapple. Cut down our pineapple. So I'm just using about half the pineapple, guys. All right, next we want a couple tablespoons of fish sauce. If you want this vegan, just omit the fish sauce, that's fine. Couple tablespoons of sugar. Then next, we want a few lugs of some really good sherry vinegar. Pinch of salt, fresh cracked pepper. Now we blend. Avocado oil. And we always want to check for seasoning. Oh good. Let's go ahead and strain out our vinaigrette. All right, next, let's make our crispy shallots. We'll take 3 shallots. And we want to take our Japanese mandolin. I'll leave a link in the description where to pick this up from Amazon. You just want to make some thin slices. All right, let's go ahead and separate these. Take your shallots into the bowl. Then next, you just want to cover them with a little bit of all-purpose or rice flour. Then go ahead and dredge all of your individual pieces. And get yourself a fine mesh strainer. Go ahead and put your shallots in there. And we'll go ahead and just shake out all the excess flour. Right? All right, then make sure that your oil is at about 300 to 325. Go ahead and drop in your shallots. You just want to cook these slowly until they're nice and light golden brown. Remember, low and slow is the way to go on these guys. You don't want to cook them too quick, too fast, because they're just going to darken up too quick and just burn on you. And a burnt shallot is useless. So go ahead and take these out. Make sure you put them on some paper towels to drain out. And then lastly, you want to season with salt. Let's make the sauce for the chicken. You want 1 lemongrass. Go ahead and give it a good smack. Take out the very root end, and then you can actually just peel back some of these layers right here, some of these woody layers. That's probably good right there. This part down here is edible. So I like to just smash it with my knife, cut off the very top, cut it in half, and then just go ahead and mince this up. And we'll go ahead and use a little bit more ginger. Go ahead and use our microplane. 1 clove of garlic. Go ahead and microplane that in as well. Go ahead and chop up 1 chili. To our sauce, we want to go ahead and add some of my homemade curry paste. If you guys haven't checked out my cow soy video, definitely check that out where I show you how to make this. This has kaffir lime, chilies, turmeric, dried chilies. We'll take a nice scoop. Now let's go. Then next, we want to add just a little bit of sweet soy, which is basically just brown sugar and soy sauce reduced down. Then next, we'll add just a little bit of tamarind paste just to give it some sour note. Just a little bit is fine. Then lastly, we'll hit it with just a little bit of cilantro. Make sure you add these stems as well. So much flavor in these guys. Don't ever throw these away. So here we have our chicken lettuce wrap sauce. As you can see, it's delicious. A little bit of fish sauce, about 2 tablespoons worth. Just a little bit of oyster sauce. All right, go ahead and set this off to the side so you're ready to use. Let's prep our chicken. I just like to cut them in half, and then we just cut it on a bias. Just down, just like that. All right, let's go ahead and prep our vegetables for our lettuce wrap. So on our mandolin, we have these cool little teeth that'll make your job a whole lot easier, especially if it's a weeknight, you're just trying to get this done quick. All right, also would like a little bit of radish. Next, we'll chop some scallion. So we'll take the white parts, then chop these up. So if you haven't seen me do this before in my other videos, take some scallions and stack them up very carefully, slice them very thin. Go ahead and put those in some ice water, let them bloom. They'll get all nice and curly for you. All right, next let's prep our mushrooms. I have some organic beach mushrooms. I just like to cut them just right in half and then half again. Super easy. And I also have some king oyster mushrooms. I just like to take off just the very bottom. You can slice these however you like. I just like to go in half again. And just real simple, guys, just rough chop. All right, then I also like a little cucumber at the end. Go ahead and quarter that. These ones I want to take the seeds out, then cut them however you like. I just like cut on a bias just like this. All right. And here we have our beautiful veg prep. We got our carrots, scallion, and mushrooms. This is all going to be sauteed with the chicken. And then we have our cucumber and radish, and then also some scallion greens that we're going to use for a little garnish at the very end. We want to start off by cooking the vegetables. Go ahead and add our mushrooms. And we're doing these first because we want to get some nice color on the mushrooms. All right, next we'll add our carrots and our scallions. We'll add this little pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper. We'll take these, but just lay them out on a pan here. See if my smoke alarm goes off again. Be sure to have it nice and hot. Go ahead and hit that with some pepper, just a light touch of salt. We're gonna go in with that sauce. That already has a lot of salt. Be careful. Back in with our vegetables. Once we get a little color on the chicken, let's in with our beautiful sauce. All right, there we have our beautiful chicken. Now let's go ahead and plate the lettuce wraps. Put a little herbs on the side here. All right, so let's go ahead and fill our lettuce wraps. Just a little bit of chicken. Add just a few cucumbers, a little radish. Some of our beautiful vinaigrette we made. And she dressed the greens. How could you say no to that, bro? You can't. That's how. We do a little bit more of our sauce that we made as well. And then some fresh herbs. I like to do a little cilantro, just right on top like that. And do some Thai basil as well. Some of our scallions. A little bit of peanuts. Then to top it off, some of our crispy shallots. Oh, woo. Little lime. Finito. Guys, you have to try these. These are absolutely delicious. This puts P.F. Chang's to shame. So let's go ahead and try it. See how we did. Oh, guys, these are absolutely delicious. You get the herbaceousness from the lettuce, the herbs. I got a little Thai basil on here, some mint, some cilantro. You get a nice crunch from the toasted peanuts, the crispy shallots that we made. You definitely need those. And then a little squeeze of lime for some citrus. And then we also have our beautiful pineapple passion fruit vinaigrette on top. Just really add some nice citrus notes to it as well. And then we also used our tamarind sauce that we use for the chicken on here as well, which is absolutely delicious. Brings in some nice savory notes, some nice umami to the whole dish, and just really rounds it all out. Also have some cucumber and some radish. So these things are loaded, guys. This is pretty much a Thai salad in sort of a wrap. You guys can put use whatever lettuces you want. I just like to have a little bit of the bitterness from the chorizo. You could use radicchio, you could use endive. I have butter lettuce here. So what I did was I just took some chorizo, a little bit of romaine for some stability. And then on top of that, I did a little butter lettuce just to hold that one together. I think iceberg is so boring. There's no nutritional value to iceberg lettuce at all. So I just prefer not to use it. So that's the dish, guys. Thanks for joining me. I want to thank you again. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I truly appreciate you guys coming back every single week to check out a new video. I try to put one out, at least 1 or 2 full videos a week, and a couple shorts as well. So be sure to check out my full videos and my shorts on my channel. And as always, make sure that you get out there and make some delicious lettuce wraps, guys. Thank you again. Have a blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you again. Cheers.